Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve your MMR on the Teamfight Tactics or the TFT. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open. Of course, if you have the TFT already downloaded into your PC, you'll have to go and open it up. If you don't, you'll have to go and download it through the right client. And of course, if you have the right client already downloaded, just go and open it up. And if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through whatever browser you're using. For me here, I'm using Brave. You can just go to the URL section, type download Riot client right now, or without right now, of course. Once it's downloaded, you will have to go and open it up. And of course, once it's opened, you will find yourself in a home screen or a main screen like this. Here, you'll normally find the games that you already installed into your PC. For me, as you can see here, I have 3 games. Of course, if you don't have the Teamfight Tactics here, so you don't have it installed, you'll have to go scroll down a bit and you'll find these all games. And you'll find the Teamfight Tactics here. Make sure to click on it, and here you'll be able to install it. Of course, you can install it through League of Legends in your PC. If you want to play it on your phone, you can do that on your iPhone and install it through your App Store. And of course, the same will work for Android through the Google Play. Once it's installed, you will have the option to open it up. And once it's opened, of course, it will ask you actually to log in into your account. If you have an account, make sure to go and log in into it. But if you don't, you will have to go and create a new account. Of course, that will be pretty simple, so you can do it alone. And as we said in the beginning of the video, is we would like to improve our MMR on the Teamfight Tactics, so we get more LP if we want to play ranked and win on it. So if you want to do that, of course, we will have to play with our friends some normals without playing ranked, but the normals or your friends, sorry, should be actually a high MMR. So let's say, for example, you are silver, so make sure to play with friends normals and make sure your friends is higher MMR than you. Maybe gold, maybe flat, maybe diamond, maybe masters, maybe grandmasters, or even challengers in TFT. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.